today's video, I'll show you how to fix blog pagination issues in WordPress. Pagination problems can be frustrating, especially when visitors can't navigate older posts properly. Since pagination plays a key role in user experience, fixing it is essential for any growing blog. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Settings, then click on Reading. This section controls how your blog posts are displayed across pages. On the Reading Settings screen, look for the option called Blog Pages, Show at Most. This setting determines how many posts appear on each blog page before pagination kicks in. If pagination is not showing, this value is often the reason. Here's the important part. If this number is set higher than your total published posts, pagination will not appear. For example, if you only have 10 posts but the setting is set to 20, all posts will load on a single page, leaving no need for pagination. To fix this, simply set the number to something lower, such as 10 or 12. This ensures that once you publish more posts than that limit, pagination links will appear automatically. Choose a number that fits your content style and how you want readers to browse your blog. After adjusting the value, scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is critical as the new setting won't apply unless it's saved. Once saved, visit your blog page and check whether pagination is now visible. It's also a good idea to test this on both desktop and mobile to make sure navigation works smoothly across devices. And that's it. Fixing WordPress pagination issues is often just a simple settings adjustment. With the correct configuration in place, your visitors can easily explore older posts and enjoy a better browsing experience. Thanks for watching and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.